Null-safe inequality comparisons in SQL Alchemy. Currently, the only way I know how to express a null-safe not equal comparison in SQL Alchemy, where comparison with null entries evaluates as true, rather than null, is with. Is there a way to express this in SQL Alchemy such that it will emit a MySQL lower or equal than greater than operation or a PostgreSQL is distinct from operation that treats null as just another possible value? Additional context. This came up as a bug in a utility that converts from an XML-based query language to SQL Alchemy filter expressions, this URL. The specific bug was in a snippet of code that looked like this. Where field is the relevant SQL Alchemy model column, op is the relevant Python attribute name for the comparison operation, and value is the value to be checked against. For example, in the specific case of filtering for virtual machines running on a hypervisor with a particular name, it would be equivalent to doing. The bug arose not due to value potentially being null, that doesn't happen, the value is always a string, but when comparing against rows where the column contained a null value and the comparison operator was _ni_. For every operator except _ni_, the standard SQL null handling works fine, the comparison returns null, which is interpreted as the row not matching the filter, which is what we want. However, for the case of _ni_, we do want to return the rows that contain a null value in that column, we only want to exclude the ones where the value is set and it doesn't match the value we're comparing against. So the code that originally looked like now looks more like. That seems clumsy to me, so I'm asking if there is a method we can map not equal to other than _ni_ that would give us the alternate null handling at the database layer rather than emulating it with the SQL Alchemy equivalent of field is not null or field not equal value, as we have started doing now.
There's a few ways to plug an alternate operator in there, as well as creating a custom operator, but the most public / mainstream way to get at what happens when _ni_ is invoked is at the type level. So that will do the OR thing. Gives us. Then for the pg/MySQL operator, what we really should have is the ability to link it compiles to operators directly. But that hook isn't present right now, so with more effort than it ideally should require, we can make a custom column element to handle it. Then we can try that out. Gives us.
Use customize operator may help, sqlalchemy custom operator. E.g. outer join a, b.outlet_id.op less than equals greater than, a.outlet_id.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.